What can I say?
You never was like, oh shit, that thing's loud.
Loud and fast.
Oh, well, that's a header.
Yeah. I've got a video coming out, and it's going to have quite a bit. Go down there real quick. That way we can show them what all's coming out on that next video.
Face it downhill. There you go. Have my hand in front of the lens.
Always good to have one of these. Sometimes I don't ride with it, but you know.
Hey, Kiki.
Well, up here is what the next video is about. The 420 cc Predator. This was a generator engine. I don't have a torque wrench yet, so I can't really torque down the connecting rod bolts. Sorry, brain went blank on me there for a second. So this one I plan on putting solder in it. I got to drill out the plate right here. That way I can run the starter bolts into it. Replace the crank. Not the crank. I've already done that. Replace the flywheel. That way I'll have a stator flywheel in here with the starter gear. I tried putting it on the go-kart, and let's just say it's a little too tight. I could modify put a plate on it, have the motor hanging almost in front of the tire on the right side, but even then that's still a little dangerous to say the least. Now if I had 125 or 250 or even a 150 cc four-wheeler motor or a dirt bike engine, I could put that on there, 2-stroke or 4-stroke. That would fit with no problem, no issues. 212's a little tight on it. With the seat that's on there now, it hits the side of it, and whoever had it on there before, the way they had it mounted on there, it was almost protruding to the inside of the seat. So y'all will be seeing this engine being tore down and the crank being replaced and all the internals put back in, along with the balancer that's in it. A lot of people take them out, but they're in there for a reason. Now, if you're going to be revving these to over 3,800 RPMs, the counterbalance weight that's in there, excuse me, it's going to be rather important to help with the vibration, mainly. So be on the lookout for that. And like I told Fan a little while ago in Etard's live stream, went through and read off, over 300 names on the my subscription list, and thanked them for that. So that by itself took a while. We'll see you on the next round.